Most people think they control their mind, but psychology experts know the mind can be rewritten in real time without you even noticing. And today, I'm handing you 4 techniques that human behavior professionals use to read people instantly, influence reactions ethically, and understand what's happening beneath the surface, even when someone swears they're being honest. These aren't tricks. They're the hidden switches of the human operating system. Chapter 1. The pattern break that forces the brain to listen. Your brain runs on autopilot far more than you realize. It filters out 95% of the world just to keep you functional. Psychologists exploit this through something called a cognitive interrupt. It's a strategic disruption that snaps the brain awake. When someone pauses before saying something important, your focus tightens. Your nervous system listens before your thoughts do. Human behavior tip: if you want someone to lock onto your words, insert a deliberate pause before your key point. It flips the brain's pay attention now switch. If that surprised you, wait for the next one. This is where psychology gets bold. Chapter 2. The emotional frequency trick that builds instant trust. Humans don't connect through logic first. They connect through emotional frequency. Experts use something called emotional mirroring, not copying someone's gestures, not mimicking posture, but matching their state. If someone is tense, you become composed. If they're excited, you elevate slightly with them. If they're uncertain, you ground the moment. Your nervous system becomes a tuning fork theirs aligns with. Human behavior tip: people don't remember what you say. They remember how their body felt around you. Here's a part most people overlook. Emotional alignment triggers unconscious trust faster than any scripted line ever could. Chapter 3. The hidden flaw in human behavior experts exploit. Humans think they're unpredictable, but the experts know the truth. People follow consistent patterns until something touches a psychological nerve. This is the predictability gap. It's the moment someone deviates from their own behavior. A confident person suddenly gets quiet. A quick responder hesitates. A relaxed talker tenses for a split second at a specific word. That tiny deviation reveals what their words try to hide. Human behavior tip: don't study how people behave most of the time. Study the moment they break their own pattern. That's where the truth leaks out. Once you notice this in people, you can't unsee it. Chapter 4. The choice illusion that makes decisions feel effortless. Psychologists know the mind hates being controlled, but it loves a feeling of freedom. So they use the invisible choice effect. Instead of saying, do this, they offer 2 paths that lead to the same destination. Start today or tomorrow. Want the short version or the full breakdown? Do we tackle this in steps or handle it all at once? Both options still move the interaction forward, but the other person feels agency, not pressure. Human behavior tip: give choices without giving away direction. The mind relaxes when it believes it's steering. All right, final one. This is where human behavior becomes almost predictable. Here's the curveball. These techniques don't just help you understand people. They expose the patterns inside your own mind. Because the moment you recognize human behavior from the outside, you start seeing your own biases from within. The mind you study becomes the mind you upgrade. Cognitive interrupt, emotional frequency, predictability gap, invisible choice. 4 tools that reshape how you read people, communicate, and navigate human behavior. Master them, and life stops feeling random. You gain clarity. You gain awareness. You gain the ability to move through the world with intention instead of reaction. Because when you understand human behavior, you stop guessing. You start seeing.